Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Strap in for a new live stream today on a Wednesday. That is not typical because today is not a typical day. We're gonna discuss about the live NFT sale today from the Fractured Fate lands of Main City. And I'm just checking what's going on here, guys. Welcome. I am very lucky today, guys. I am super lucky because my position in the queue is 195. Hey! Hello. I see Numlock coming in. 1,129. So that means we at least have about 1,000 people waiting in this line. Very interesting. We got AK7, number 68. I wish you were 69. Okay, for anyone wondering, the NFT sale, let me give you a few reminders what today is all about. So the game, you might not know, it is this game here. Loaded Lion, Main City, Fractured Fate. And the NFT lands you can buy are basically to play the game and get some bonuses. So you can see here, I got, for example, this Molten Core. This is Lava Land. I also have this greenish land, Aurora. And I also have this very barren wasteland. All NFT lands in this new upcoming world map that will have 7 different regions. 7 different regions. So the question, of course, is, are they going to make more games? And that's on the roadmap. They want to make more games. But, well, let's first get a land today, guys. Strap in for some land. Ooh, okay. For Smurf today, it is his first private NFT sale. It says there are about 438 people ahead of me in the queue. So good luck, everyone. Good luck, dude. So for anyone wondering, if you're about Q1000, I think you're guaranteed to a land. Let me check, guys, because I need to check the actual stuff here. There are in total 25,000 lands. 25,000 lands. And in the first round in the queue, you can max buy 50 lands. 50 lands. Let me check, guys. Fractured Fate. There we go. This is the max you can buy here. So what you can do: Crimson Reaches, Aurora Wall, Sapphire Sanctum, Molten Forge, or Block Nexus. But unfortunately, we won't know what kind of land you have until we actually do the reveal, which will be happening only afterwards on, I think, the 9th of May. Let me check if I can find it, because I want to look up the prices quickly. The Loaded Lion prices. But okay. So my personal plan, for anyone wondering, is to buy 5 or 10 packs. That's the max in the first round. 10 packs of the Conqueror. And that means there's 5 lands each. That will be $2,000. So that's actually quite expensive. But I do believe with the Loaded Lion airdrop as well, so the Lion airdrop token, it might be worth it in the end. Anyways, that's what I'm doing myself. Let me know, guys, what are you trying to buy? Or are you buying it all? Ah, okay, it's Demo. Welcome, Smurf. Club Crow's going to buy the 5-pack. I like it. But Knight, don't you worry, dude. You will get the land if you want to. If I do my math correctly. Yeah. So you could buy, in theory, people could buy about 50 lands. Not buying here for the fam, you know. Just a bit of, just to support. Let me check where we are at. So currently, guys, the line is paused. You can see here the line is paused. But it will start in about 10 minutes. So get ready, strap in. Vilas, welcome as well. I'm not on the queue, but just came here to watch. Also, guys, if you want to, we can talk about price as well. I mean, I haven't really talked much about price in the latest stream, but you see we're kind of dumping below this line here for Cronos, which is dangerous. And I would say it's also very atypical. It is very atypical that we have a breakout here to the downside. Therefore, I do think this is a fake out. An actual fake out here. So what I can see for Bitcoin, I think this is the wrong chart. Let me check if I can get a different one here. Yeah, if we go to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour, you can see what's happening with Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin is still within the same, how's it called? Within the same pattern. Yeah, it is. So you can actually draw this ascending triangle because this is still flat. We couldn't really break 95, but also we couldn't really go below it. So it is a way, it's about time, guys. We're gonna find out very soon. This pattern will break the beginning of May. So not much longer. Not much longer. Let's see. I hope Crow will actually go up a little bit because I'm gonna pay with Lion and Crow is very much linked to Lion. Smurf is going to get, tries to get 3 Conqueror packs. I like it, dude. Björn, not buying. Have no idea about this thing. No worries, no worries. Let me check, guys, where we're at. I also need to buy myself, so I should not forget that I'm also in the line. So not only streaming, I'm also trying to get this because it's going to be, I think, worth my time. Let's see. Hopefully your payment will go through. Yeah, true. So if anyone wondering, you need to pay, and the best way to pay is actually with your phone. So using crypto.com Pay, so you can actually pair up with your crypto.com app, and then you can do all the important stuff. I'm trying to look for the different information about the sale because where is it? Where is it? Loaded line, loaded line. By the way, talking about loaded line, that is the account here on X. And the private sales today, and tomorrow we have the early access and public sale. So not too much longer to wait. But private sale first, then the early access. But let me check if I can find... Is it this one? So private sale today, private sale starting at about $60. That's not entirely true. But 18,000 lands and max 10 packs per checkout. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. We should be good soon. We should be good. And I will, of course, show you what's happening here. Okay. So, what this is showing for me now. Estimated wait time about 13 minutes, 12 minutes. It's going quick now. It's going very quick. I like it. Of course, it's also the end of the month. Yeah, it's also the end of the month. So for anyone wondering, strap in soon for a new time to buy video. Because I think, I think I talked about it in the video yesterday a bit more. It's the clock is ticking, right? What you have just seen about this pattern here, the clock is ticking. There's not much time left, but well. It's still saying the line is paused. Sometimes it can help to refresh. And refresh doesn't really hurt you guys, because if you refresh, you can see the QID below. The QID is attached to your profile, not to your device, but to your profile. So I'm getting in, guys. I'm getting in. Okay, it just updated for Smurf. Just updated. And it does mention 27 minutes. I would say, ladies and gentlemen, that this estimated wait time is not really accurate. Not really accurate. Ooh, more than an hour. Oh, guys, it feels like buying tickets for... I don't know what your guys' favorite band is. Is it going to be the Rolling Stones? Is it going to be... what are, like, famous people singing? I don't know. In the past, I like Green Day. Green Day. It's a rock band from the UK. Is it? No, actually not from the UK, I guess. I think they are from the US. Kyra's saying it's more than an hour. Oh, yeah, I like it. Oasis. Oasis. Also sold out within minutes, I thought. 10 minutes here, guys. 10 minutes. It's probably going to be a couple of minutes per purchase, so it should move a lot faster. So in theory, guys, you have 50 minutes. You have 50 minutes. It's also what it mentions here. In theory, you have 50 minutes. It's also what they use to count. And they don't want to overload the site as well. I don't know how many people are actually right now trying to buy. It might be quite a lot of people, though. Don't buy them all, bro. I will join the queue again, I think. I think I will join the queue again. If possible. Anyone, let me know, guys, if you're watching the stream. Welcome, by the way, strap in. I'm the Coin Baron. But let me know if your queue number was higher than 1,000. I'm trying to gauge how many people are actually trying to buy. I think Crow will be similar to GT token, Gadio native token. Yeah, true. Welcome, Free Audio. Welcome. I think even it will be very close to what BNB has been doing. So Guillaume had actually about 577. Edward was 892. Israel, welcome. Is this a game? Well, these are the NFTs for a game called Main City. I think it's not much of a game yet, to be honest, but it's getting close to one. You can upgrade your buildings, get to prestige. And the more you upgrade, the more coins you can earn. But also they will implement guilds and stuff like that. So it's going to be fun. Okay, we got Man Cage here. 1,421. Welcome, dude. Strap in. It's going very slow. It is going very slow. But yeah, like Club Crow mentions, it's about 50 minutes to buy. 50 minutes. Look at your wait time now. It's only 3 minutes. It's only 3 minutes. It was about 1 hour for me, but now it actually went to about 26 minutes. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. We've got 11 minutes for Guillaume here. And Smurf is also flying now. 9 minutes left. Yeah, the first few minutes are just very slow. But then it goes very quickly. The only thing I don't like is that you don't get any cool reveal after buying. So typically you buy and you have the reveal. But I think they also noticed that it was very much trading the systems. The people both buying and also revealing at the same time. So I think it's a good idea that they are trying to separate the reveal event and also the buy event. B54, welcome. I'm at about 239 at the moment. It's going quite quick. It's going quite quick. 6 minutes for 239. Hey, welcome, Witnessed. So much good news. So surprised the price is very suppressed. I think we'll have to wait for rate cuts and money printing. Yeah, so we talked about this in the video yesterday. And 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Dremco is at queue number 300. But we talked about the job data yesterday, US job data. And it was actually surprisingly good. It started off with a really bad headline. The amount of job openings dropping quite heavily. But then in the end, the amount of layoffs were not too bad. The amount of, what was it called? The amount of hires actually went up. So the overall result really of how the job market was performing was quite decent. And that means, guys, that there was no reason for the Fed to intervene. Did you see some guy bought a dark line last year and only minted it 2 days ago? And it was a legendary one as well. Oh my god. Lucky bastard. If it counts about 50 minutes per person, and the person actually does the person in 3 minutes, that's why the time is going so fast. True. But now, this feels like a very long minute already. A very long minute. So people, I will be entering some payment data soon, so I will not be showing... Ooh, less than a minute! Woo! We're back to a minute. So I will not be showing that, unfortunately. So bear with me once I'm actually entering my my payment details. We got 27. Oh, it's your turn, ladies and gentlemen. Let's strap in. Let's strap in. I will be joining the queue again soon. Woo! I'm being redirected. Okay, this is going to be very exciting. By the way, a big thanks as well to the guys at Moonlander and also at Agent Fund. So here, guys, this is it. Crypto.com land, Fractured Fate, private sale. I'm going to buy the Conqueror package. We still got a lot left, so don't you worry, don't you worry. 10, buy now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And I'm going to pay now, guys, with Crypto.com Pay, so... Oh, no. Please enter... No! No! What just happened? Uh-oh. Mr. Kermit, welcome. AK7, I'm scared. I'm scared too. I'm scared too. Is this happening for more people? Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. So we've got about 1,700 left for the Conqueror. And we also got a lot of these others left. So don't you worry, guys. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Buy now. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Pay with Crypto.com Pay. Please make it work. Yes, it works now. Okay, guys, let me quickly do this. Let me quickly do this. I'm still here. I'm still here. Don't you worry. I'm still here. Don't you worry. I can't show you guys my payment details, unfortunately. You guys would like that, don't you? Okay, I'm paying now. I'm paying now. Using Crypto.com Pay. And you need, by the way, different QR code for Crypto.com Pay. It's annoying. I need to join the queue again. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Continue. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's strap in. I got 10 now. I'm happy. I'm a happy man. But I will be going back into the queue. I think I can still open them. I will do that soon. Let's go back to the drop, though. Let's go back to the drop. This was super cool. I got it, guys. I got it. That's one. New plays in line. Okay. How many more? How many more? 1,545. So we got still about 2,000 people trying to participate in this drop. Very exciting. Ant King, welcome, welcome. Main city needs to be on mobile. If you take a look, Mr. Ant King, you can actually go on mobile in Q3 or I think Q2 or Q3 of 2025. So only a few more months of waiting. So please be patient. Okay, AK7 got one as well. Night Gaming just hoping to get one more. I think there will be plenty. I think there will be plenty. Like Guillaume is saying here. Yeah, it was kind of buggy, guys. It was kind of buggy, but I think it in the end works out. So what are we signing up for? We're signing up witness for the Crypto.com NFT land sale. I just spent $2,000 in a second. That was crazy though. Oh, 50 lands in the pocket. Let's go. Oh, Smurf gets the 1 minute warning. The 1 minute warning. So you need to get ready, dude. You need to get ready. Oh, I'm happy, guys. I'm a very happy man. I hope you all get your own lands as well. Again, let me know, guys, what kind of package you're going for. You got one package with only one land. You got one package, I think, with 3 lands. And you got one package with 5 lands. That's the Conqueror one. But I think that one might be sold out the quickest as well. We don't know. I just bought 10 of them myself. So let's see. I'm joining the queue again. How do you actually buy this? Well, Zazzles, I can't show it to you, unfortunately, because I'm in the queue. But what you can do is you join the queue. You go to crypto.com/NFT. But this is the private sale. So you need to log in with your account. And the account will check if you have either a loaded line, a dark line, or a Crypto.com NFT land from the first season. If you have one of those, you can join this queue here. And you can join the private sale. Otherwise, if you don't have any lands yet, you can also join the public sale tomorrow, even though the drop will be a bit smaller. It will be a bit smaller. Vias is asking, so you basically bought 50 lands. Yeah, I bought 10 packages of 5. 10 packages of 5. And what are you going to do with them? Are you going to sell or keep them? I'm going to keep them all. I'm going to keep them all. It's going to be helpful in the game. And I think the game has potential, even though it's boring. I still think, guys, it's a boring game right now. But it has potential. And people holding on to the land will also get an airdrop of the lion token. I don't know how many lion tokens, but it might be worth it. It might be worth it. And if you're lucky, by the way, there are multiple rarities. So you can get like a very rare one and be very lucky. And if you get a rare one, the more rare it is, the higher price you can sell it for if you want to sell. If you want to sell. Ooh, Smurf got in. Bought 3 Conqueror packs. Payment went through in the first time. Crazy, dude. Well done, well done, well done. Well done. Should I open the packs now? What's the best? I don't know. I haven't opened them myself. I haven't opened them myself. I don't know. Maybe actually there is a reveal. Maybe there is a reveal and only on the next week we can actually see how the NFTs look like. Kermit, yes, the brace is off. I'm strapping in for real now. Guys, I'm thinking, should I buy more? Should I buy more lands? Because I don't know if anything will be sold out now. I don't know. In theory, you can buy a max amount of, I think, you can buy 200 lands, I guess. 200 lands in total. Oh, let me know, Smurf, what's the result? I'm opening 1 pack now. I'm opening 1 pack now. It's a bit like, bye. It's a bit like opening these little Pokemon cards. I don't know if you guys were younger when you had those Pokemon cards or Yu-Gi-Oh or whatever. So you had those little packages, you can rip them open and then, and this is not rare, and I know this one, I already have this one. That's the feeling, right? Kermit thinks though it will be sold out. What do you guys think? Will it be sold out? Will it be sold out, guys? Oh, okay. So Smurf actually just unpacked it, guys. And we now know that Smurf has deed 9,421. Interesting. So no details. I guess you don't see any picture. Do you have anything like that, Mr. Smurf? No picture? I think, guys, next week we'll have to reveal. I will do a new stream. And in that stream, we'll do the reveal live. If that's the case. We'll do a live reveal of the cards. With a bit of an unpackage experience. I'm so curious if everything is sold out now. 18,000 lands in total. I just bought 50 myself. And I think there are many more people like me. Let's see. About 2,000 buyers, I think. About 2,000 buyers in the first attempt. There are in total about, I'm thinking about 15,000 eligible people in total. I can see a black trading card with a CDC logo on it and lots of cool blue or purple lightning effect going through it. Okay, interesting. What's the link to buy? I think the easiest way, Mr. Zazzles, if you go to... Can I share this? I don't know if it works. I don't know if it works. Let me check if I can share it with you, Mr. Zazzles. The best I can do for you, Mr. Zazzles. By the way, Justin, thanks for coming by, dude. Have a good one. Mr. Zazzles, if you go to the link I just shared with you, it's crypto.com/NFT1 in the chat. You can go to the main page. You can go to the crypto.com main page or the NFT main page. And there, let me show it to you, by the way. Let me show it to you. This is the home page. And you need to go into this drop here. And you have to press view drop. I'm already in the drop, so I won't go there, but just press that one and you are joining the giveaway, or not the giveaway, joining the sale. By the way, guys, the more land you have, the more diamonds you actually generate. And diamonds are most likely the most rare resource in the game. And I think also, currently, you can actually the more diamonds you generate, the more crew you're also passively generating. Because this, in the end, is a play-to-earn game, or how's it called? Yeah, play-to-earn game. It's a bit of a play-to-earn game. A little bit. No way. Is it sold out? Is it sold out? No way. That was super quick. Oh my god. Okay, is it sold out already? That's so quick. Okay, confirmed by Guilherme here. Are the other packs still available though? The other packs have less discount. I feel sorry for you, Knight. I feel sorry for you, dude. It's the same. So there are still other packs available. Less discount though. Yeah. Let me check what I will do. The other packs are more expensive, guys. Unfortunately. I don't know. I'm very happy I bought 10. But I don't think it's very fair, is it? Do you guys think it's fair that you could like buy 10 at a time? Why not max it at like 3 or 5? Did you get it, Numlock? You also didn't get it. I will skip this one. Unfortunate, dudes. I don't know why they made it like 10 at a time. Okay, guys, you can also use the link by Kermit. Kermit is our trusted mod. And by the way, a quick shout out here to Kermit while we're waiting in the line. Kermit is streaming on Twitch every now and then. And he's Dutch, so you have to speak Dutch somewhat to actually understand him. But he streams at twitch.tv, I think, /KermitLePog. I don't know. Kermit, feel free to plug yourself if you want to. He plays games. Like, for example, I think I was playing the game. I lost the name. The game. It's a bit like a tactical shooter game. Hey, Mr. B45 is also Dutch. Overwatch, that's the one. Kermit plays Overwatch or Warzone. Some more shooters. So what Pereira would like to see is like have 1 or 2 max per person. Yeah, that would be the most fair one. And then join the queue again would be more fair. Yeah, I think this would be the most fair approach. But unfortunately, I don't know why. I also kind of like they want to have this little bit of a bit of luck. They want to create a bit of hype. They want to sell it out as quickly as possible, of course. But I think, yeah, it would have sold out anyways. I think it would have sold anyways. Okay, I feel too stupid here. But now I will go to the stock market openings and have the US inflation data. Have fun, Crowfam. Don't forget to like. Guys, don't forget to like. And Björn, thanks for coming in today. By the way, Björn, I've been sending out the first suspended packages. So I think you got your own code as well. If you still want, I can still send them out. I had some issues last week, unfortunately. I planned buying the 5-pack and it kind of feels stupid to pay the premium for the other packages. Yeah. I get you, dude. I get you. Let me see, guys. In about 3 minutes, I think a bit more, we will see if we still have some other packages available. Why is Cronos dropping so heavily? We talked about this just before the NFT sale, but geez Louise. Also Bitcoin is dropping a little bit, but you see it's still within these ranges. And Cronos for some reason thinks like, nope. Not here. Ik ben Nederlands. B45. Dutchie. I guess you're Belgian because you start off with Belgian. Vikas is saying that Crow had a huge announcement like 1 hour ago. Wait a minute, an announcement? Anyone wondering, by the way, what this announcement is? I will check it out in a minute. I will be joining this queue first, and once the queue is over, we have a bit of a talk about the overall sale, how it went, and we're going to talk about the market. So the news apparently is that it's a bank. Is Crypto.com a bank now? A bank for US customers. Oh, they have a partnership with Green Dot. Never heard of those before. Welcome, by the way, Private. Strap in, my dude. Apparently XRP is also dumping a bit. Let me check in a minute, guys. 230 left. Only 230. Exciting times. Let me check though quickly. So Bitcoin is still within these ranges. This is the absolute best retest. So again, guys, this could be an easy fake out here. This could be an easy fake out. These are 4-hour candles. And also, if you take a look at the stock, okay, the stock market will open in about 7 minutes. The stock market will open in about 7 minutes. So that will be very exciting. Will we see a dump? Will we see a pump? We don't know. Apparently, we also have the inflation data today. I kind of miss that. It's always US job data first, and then we have the inflation data. I think inflation will have dropped. I think on this time Trump might be right, even though some products might be a bit more expensive. I think overall, due to the oil and housing, I think housing is also going down a bit. And we do see the dollar going down overall though. Okay, let's go back though to the actual thing we're talking about today. The Crypto.com land fractured fate private sale. Tomorrow, guys, there will be a public sale as well. So if you feel like you missed out, you can still join that one. Also with discounted prices. Or, well, not as discounted as this one. Currently, for the private sale, there will be a 50% discount. A 50% discount. But there won't be a 50% discount for this one. Oh, no. Okay, so Smurf is currently in the Discord. Oh, by the way, just before we go to this message. Only 37 left. Only 37 left. 3, 2, 1. And I think now the only packages left are the single ones. Sorry for that sound here. It is very loud. It is very freaking loud here. Let me check, guys, if I will buy this one as well. These will be $60. Yeah, okay, these are all sold out. Will I buy 10 of those? Will I do that? Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah, okay, it's unfortunate, guys. Only about 1,500 left of the cheapest packs. Of course, people will go for max discount. Ah, okay, this is how it looks like. For anyone wondering, I got about 50 minutes left, so no hurry now. This is how the cards look like. Cool. So the reveal will be next week. Reveal will be next week. So I will be buying 10 of those. And then it's enough for me. Then I bought enough, guys. Then I bought enough. I'm going to press buy now. So I'm going to pay with my phone again. So all you got to do is you go to the Crypto.com app. Then you go to Crypto.com Pay. And you scan a QR code. It's that easy. It is that easy. But let me check. I need to do this quickly, guys. I'm going to pay, by the way, with Lion Token. The Lion Token. That's pretty nice. Oh. Gonna pay with Lion. Unfortunately, Lion Token dropped quite a bit. That's unfortunate. Lion. Continue. Huh? Okay, my phone is saying that the pair is not supported. That's unfortunate. So I try to pay with Crow, or I try to pay with it, but I can't. That's really sad. Okay, I'm gonna pay with Crow then in that case. Yeah, you will pay a lot more. I will pay about $600 now. I will pay about $600 for these lands, so you can see it's kind of expensive, but hey, it's what it is. I hate it. I couldn't pay with Lion. What a scam. What a scam here, guys. I got it. I got it. So I got 10 more lands for $600. And the first pack I got about, I think I got two packs of these, of the Conqueror package, for the same amount of lands, which is only $400. So these 10 lands were $200 more expensive. 200, but now I got 60. I got 60 lands. I'm happy with that. I think I'm happy with that. I think I'm happy with that one. 60 lands now. Yeah, Wonderlick is right. Wonderlick is right. This might not even sell out. Yeah, actually, it might sell out. We've got 600 people left. Some people are still joining the queue. Unfortunate, guys. If you guys want to, by the way, join the Discord to discuss this after the land sale, to discuss the other part of the drop, don't forget to just join this Discord here. Link is in the chat. But yeah, interesting, guys, interesting. I'm thinking of buying 10 more. I'm thinking of buying 10 more, but I don't know if I should. When is the next sale? The next sale will be tomorrow, the 1st of May. There will be an exclusive sale first. So this is the private sale. Then we'll have an exclusive sale for people that are partner up with one of the partners of Crypto.com. So WolfSwap, Agent Fun, H2, whatever. That will be first not the private one, but the how's it called? First the exclusive one, and then we'll have the other one as well. Gonna buy the Crow dip instead of my 50 land NFTs then. That's better. I think actually that's a good time to buy. Unfortunately, I had to pay with Crow and I hate it because, yeah, we've just been talking about the relative underperformance of Crow. So Crow had a huge dip. Crow just had a huge dip here. But it makes absolutely no sense because Bitcoin is still within this range. Link is in the description, that's true. So I think, guys, it's going to be a big fake out. And we will see one recovery again soon for Crow. So this is my opinion. No financial advice as always. Got a question though from oh guys, I think the S&P just opened up. Yeah, it's time. It's 15:30 here. 3:30 in the Netherlands, and it just opened up slightly in the red. It opened up slightly in the red here. Oh well, actually, wait a minute. It opened up quite bad. So currently we are about 1.4% in the red in comparison to last week's close, but it's fine. Okay, Numlock says it's sold out. Let me check. I'm still in the line, but then the line might be dropping soon. All sold out. Also confirmed to be Manjit by Mr. Lee. Very interesting, guys. Oh, you can't even check out now anymore. So the question here by Smurf, why do people holding a land worth $50 to $100 receive the same access to a private sale as the loaded line holder? I just didn't understand that it should be more tiered. I think it makes sense because it is also available, the sale is also available, Smurf, to people holding on to a dark line. And a dark line is, I think, what is it? $100? And the cheapest land is also about, is it like $80? Okay, the dark line is more expensive. Okay. I got my dark line when it was below $100. The dark lines drop like crazy, and I still don't perceive them with the same amount of value. But hey, let me confirm, guys, if we're actually sold out. I could actually buy 10. I could buy 10 today. 10 Conqueror packages. This is so freaking loud. Let me check. Okay, so currently the dark line is $150 and the cheapest land is only 50. So that's quite a big difference, actually. That's quite a big difference. Yeah, so if you would like to get like this, like getting one land just to get into this drop was more beneficial than not getting the land and getting the discount here. Rashid is saying nothing left. It's loading now. This is the blue circle of death, guys. The blue circle of sold out. I got quite a lot of NFTs, so I'm happy. I'm a happy man. I honestly do feel sorry for anyone that missed out on this sale. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the land value will do. Because it's sold out, I think the lands will go up in value. I think they will go up in value quite quickly. So anyone that got in, I think you might have bought land at a good premium. So congratulations. I am holding on though to my land. I'm not selling myself because I do definitely think that the Lion airdrop might be worth it. It might be fully worth it. We don't know how many Lion tokens you'll get per land. It might even be tiered depending on rarity. We'll see though. Okay, this is really the blue circle of death. Night gaming. Oh, I have a loaded line. I got a dark line. I got a land, and I even have about 1 million Lion tokens. And I could not even buy a Conqueror pack. Let that sink in. It's really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. I think they should change it for the future. This is simply not a good strategy. How I would do it if I was crypto.com, I would do it like this. You can buy one Conqueror package per person. You can buy two Explorer packages and maybe 3 to 5 of the individual one per checkout. But this system just doesn't work. I can't see my Conqueror pack. I think Mr. Pereira, it's all being bugged now. The system cannot handle this amount of load. Yeah, exactly, Smurf. It's a bullish sign. It's a bullish sign, but I really hope we're gonna get the amount of users. They want to get 1 million users this year. 1 million users. That's many users. 1 million users. And after they reach 1 million users, there might be another land sale. But yeah, it's a big goal they want to accomplish, and if they can do that, cheers to them. Big stonks, yeah, exactly. I hate though, guys. I hate it that NFTs are very hard to buy. NFTs are really hard to sell, I mean. Let me check. I will check out, guys, if I can find my NFTs. I can see them. I can see them, unfortunately, Mr. Pereira. So I bought 10 scouts and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought a lot of Conquerors here. I'm not unpacking them now. Guys, there will be an unpack event. There will be an unpack event live stream most likely next week. We've got 60 lands, 60 of these nice packages to unpack, so it's going to be fun. Okay, what you are on your phone. Yeah, I don't like how they integrated crypto.com/NFT on the app. It's very buggy. It's basically a website. It's not like really integrated. Is the site buggy for you too? I didn't really pay myself, Mr. 26BJX. I didn't pay myself with credit card. I paid with Crypto.com Pay. For anyone wondering, Crypto.com Pay is the best option to buy the NFTs. Works 9 out of 10 times and is also the fastest. So if you want to get prepared for a new sale, use the how's it called? Use Crypto.com Pay. I can see them. I can see them, Mr. 26. But I heard also from Pereira that he couldn't. So it kind of differs per person. Oh, Kermit. Kermit. Rip. Oh, that was really bad. So for anyone wondering, Kermit and I go way back. We go way back. I think we first talked online in 2019 or something like that. Or 2018? Don't know exactly. But last cycle in 2021, we ran a gaming guild called Gentle Guild. Back then, we were investing in all kind of crypto gaming projects, including a game called Rebelbots. And they also sold their own Rebelbot lands. And I think I wasted 2 ETH or 3 ETH. I don't know exactly how much more anymore. But back then, like 1 ETH was about $4,000. So that was a big ouch. I don't know about the credit cards though. If you don't get it, you will get a refund. But unfortunately, I think you want the pack, of course. You don't want the refund, you want to get the pack. Kermit joined the server in April 2019. That's a mystery here. So when do we get to know what land we got? That will be happening, I think, on the 7th of May. Let me track Mr. Messiah. CDC be selling the Lion token? No way. Are they? I couldn't. By the way, Marty, I couldn't pay using Lion. That was really sad. Are they selling though? If you don't get your package, check if you got your money back. I think you didn't get any NFTs. Did you already see a refund, Mr. Numlock? I only can see the money got out on my wallet. I got 199 USDC out. If that's the case, I think you got it, Mr. Pereira. I think you got it. I went to Kraken for a sign up, but it was asking for an identification photo. I thought it was non-KYC. I think that one is with KYC. Kraken is actually known for being very strict with that. But if you want to, Mr. Eskar, I was recently sponsored by Maxi, and I think I have a sign up for that one if you want to, because you actually get, I think, $20 for free. Let me check. For anyone wondering, by the way, this is available to anyone. It's if you want an exchange, there's no KYC, so no passports, no anything. You can use that link. It's to go to Maxi, and they do also offer like leverage trading. It's this one. You can also use their Maxi/CoinBaron and get $20. Okay. Well, let me check what's going on here. By the way, if anyone wondering why is Bitcoin dumping, it's also what you're seeing here in the stock market. Stock market is going down. It might be inflation data. I haven't really checked myself yet, but it's going down here. You can see that Bitcoin broke down. Bitcoin broke down, unfortunately. This is not really typical. The setup we're seeing here is typically a bullish setup, so I'm surprised. We got some more job data regarding non-farm employment. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so Maxi has no KYC, and I think you can easily go to USDT. If you want to go to Euro or US dollar, I think you do need KYC. I don't think that banks even accept like no KYC euros anymore. Crow Earn is stopped with Earn on USDC. Yeah, unfortunately, Mr. Peter Jan. Unfortunately, the USDC Earn is not any longer allowed within the MiCA legislation. So in Europe, including the Netherlands, you do have the MiCA legislation, and therefore Crypto.com cannot legally offer any earning programs on stablecoins, because apparently, according to the EU, it's dangerous and stuff. I think it isn't, but they don't want to promote things like Terra Luna in the past. You've seen what happened with Terra Luna. They promised 14%. They promised 14% interest, and it crashed. So they don't want to get anything like that anymore. So basically said, well, you want to do stable coins? That's okay. You can do stable coins, but make sure it's one-to-one backed. And that's happening with USDC. And make sure you don't offer any interest. Crow Nation, strong welcome, John. Welcome, welcome, welcome on this Wednesday, I think morning for you, or Wednesday afternoon from Amsterdam. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. That's big. That's big here from private. So apparently the forecast was about 114k, but the actual was about 62. It's almost half. They offered 14%. Well, more like minus 99, I think. Can you still buy Terra US dollar? Let me check. Yeah, so S&P is dumping a little bit, guys. But what I don't like to see is this Crow Bitcoin dumping. And on the other hand, we do see Bitcoin dominance, man, just keeps rising. Just go to 66 Bitcoin dominance. Please go to 66. Even let's go to 69. I like to see 69. It's a nice meme target, and then we can go back. I don't even see. I don't even think they offer this anymore. Terra Luna US dollar. Terra. I don't know. Can't even find it anymore. Oh man, I just hope that we get some good news for once. We do still see that we are in the ranges, within the ranges here of the rainbow chart, for example. But it's not the same as what it was. Yeah, let's go back though to the talk of today, which is the sale. I got my lands, if anyone wondering. I got 60 in total. I paid about $2,500 for 60 lands, so not very expensive, but also not very cheap. I think this is a big amount of lands. But Will is saying, well, you got a lot of lands, but they should have limited land sales to about 2 packs per account. So many lines were unable to buy, and many bought about 10 packs, yeah. In all honesty, the discount for the 5 Conqueror package, it was too good. It was way too good. No, Mr. Pereira, no. No way, dude. Guys, I wanna... Guys, can you please press F? F in the chat, please, for Mr. Pereira. One little F, please. This is really sad. What did you get, man? Did you actually get 1 Conqueror package? Thanks for all the Fs in the chat, guys. This is for a man Pereira here, guys. Strap in. I hope you guys will get new opportunities like this. Oh, that's really sad. Thanks for all the Fs. You guys are true gaming culture. I like it though. Congratulations, you're now officially a whale. I was able to get 30... I was able to get 3 packs. I agree the discount on our Conqueror pack was definitely worth it. Yeah. It was too good. It was way too good. Oh man, I'm just... I think the sale was okay. It was okay for the majority here. But then I'm looking really at what's happening here with the price of CRO, what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. Bad sale, bad price movement. I couldn't even sell my Lion token. That's... Well, how's Lion doing at all? How's Lion doing? Lion token. Because this token, of course, Lion USD. Lion is also dumping a bit, not too much, not too much. It is in a downtrend though, so I'm curious if this new land sale will reverse it a bit, because it's not looking good. We created a new low. We're lower than where we were before. Is it minus 10%? Is it minus 10%? Minus 10% feels like, oh, that's nothing, but minus 10% is huge. Yeah, that's about minus 10%. Thanks, Justice. Thanks. Crazy. No, it's not a good day for... It's not a good day for Lion. Not a good day for Lion. Also, the fun thing is for these new tokens, like typical indicators like the MACD, they don't work at all. RSI doesn't work for these new tokens. I'm still waiting, guys, mainly for what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is still quite decent here. It's trying to get above this line. Let's say this is where resistance is. And support, of course. So I'm looking to see what's happening there and up front. And I want to see Bitcoin dominance rise a bit more. And I want to see the unpack. I really am looking forward, guys, to what's really inside of this. I can unpack it. I will not do it now. I will open it later. We'll do a reveal in, I think, 7 days. Open your pack. See if you got any sub 1000 number lands. Oh, the deeds. Nah, I think I'll do it later. I will do it on a different stream. Because I want to, oh, well, we can maybe open one. Let's open one, guys. Let's open one for the experience. Let's open one for the experience here. Let's see, how does it look like? How does it look like? Open pack. Okay, okay. Let's click to reveal. Okay. Okay, I got one. First time is a charm here. We got one below 1000. Is that good? Is that good, Mr. Will? I have no clue. Why is below 1000 good? Why is that good? It looks pretty cool though, isn't it? I want to see where my land is though. I do hope I have some neighboring lands. So I want to see it on the map. I want to see it on the map. When do you think it's altcoin season? When do you think it's altcoin season? I think it's going to be very soon. I think it's honestly going to be very, very, very soon. Mr. Ryan, welcome. If you take a look at when the 2017 cycle started, this was in March. This was in March here. March 2017. Oh, March 2017. So maybe it's going to be July. Like you can see here, we saw the beginning of altcoin season, but then also I think the big decline, the big drop started in about July. So maybe it's going to be July again, because also, oh, wait a minute. Maybe it's actually more like this here. So you can see this drop also kind of corresponds to where we are now. 67% for Bitcoin dominance. And this was in December. So we might even see a very, very late transition to Bitcoin dominance, but it's hard to predict, guys. It's really hard to predict. I think I'm prepared. We can swing any moment now. We can swing any moment now. But, you know, you see that the stock market is still kind of recovering from the Trump fears. Let's see, though. You can see a bit of the market dumping. Yeah, true, John. True. It's not all that bad, though. So, according to Private, it's based on the latest job non-farm data, which was a lot below the estimates. A lot below the estimates. In the end, the Lion token, guys, it's all being sold now by Crypto.com wallet, so they will buy it back in the end. True. I think that's the big thing for Lion. I think it's still a Crypto.com token, guys. It is still a Crypto.com token, so you can use that one. We don't actually know until the reveal if the number will mean anything, but it might mean the lower the number, the rarer the land. Okay, that's some speculation there. I like it. Bit of speculation there. I love it. The lower the number, the more rare the land might be. Interesting. Again, guys, I need to check which day it is. But there will be a reveal date. And I will have the reveal date, and I don't know when. When is it? Let me go to the link quickly, because I can't tell you guys without this information. There we go. Okay, so the reveal is... Oh, wait a minute. We need to wait for quite a while. So the NFTs will be revealed gradually on the 12th of May. On the 12th of May. So I don't know when. Fortunately, there's no like set time. So I don't think this can be like a real live stream, but we can maybe still make it a live stream. Yeah, jeetje. 2 weeks. It's a long time. And by the way, 26 lands have been reserved for giveaway. So soon also, guys, there will be more giveaways. So make sure you are staying tuned to the Loaded Lion account on Twitter, on X. And I think there will be some more giveaways. Hey PJ, have a good one. Welcome. So anyone wondering, guys, I bought a few of these. I bought a few of the Conqueror packs and a few of these Scout packs here. And next week we will still have a sale, or tomorrow we'll have a sale for cybercarbs, for people partnered to Crypto.com. But these lands will be a lot more expensive. They will be a lot more expensive. I might try to buy a few more of the Conqueror package tomorrow, but I already have a lot, so maybe just let it be for the community. Oh man, I'm now thinking of getting into this sale just for one more Conqueror pack. Actually, it was a lot cheaper than this one, isn't it? No, it's about the same. So the private sale for the Scout pack is the same price per land as the Conqueror pack in the next sale. Yeah, due to the 50% discount. That explains a lot. Let me check quickly, guys, what's happening with the market, because like somebody mentioned here, it's happening now. We do have some more data, job market data. We do have also the stock market just opening up in the US and in the EU and also in Asia. We have seen a bit of red today as well, so we kind of were expecting something similar. Non-farm. Typically, I'm waiting for... Oh, here it is. Here it is. So you can see breaking news, guys. US April ADP non-farm payrolls rise by 62. And the estimate is 114. So that does mean that we are seeing less and less job growth. Yeah, it's the same as the job openings, I think, as we talked about yesterday. But it's a lot more scary now. So isn't this like a good thing? It's weird. It's weird that Bitcoin is dumping on this news. It's weird that Bitcoin dominance is going up in this news, because this is something the Fed is looking at. This is something the US is looking at. The Fed is looking at, because the lower these numbers are, the more reasons there are for the Fed to intervene. Apparently lowest since February 2022. Apparently also GDP is out. Oh, okay, so we do have some GDP nows as well. I do like crypto Twitter, because they do have some good information. US GDP. Oh, okay. Let me show it to you guys, because you can't probably see it here. But this explains a lot more. You can see that for the first time in years, we do have negative growth. We do have negative growth here, 0.03. If we have this 2 quarters after each other, we will officially have a recession. And I think we will have a recession, most likely. We might be living in a recession now already, of course, but often it's only declared a lot later. Interesting. Thanks for the call here, Pete. Thanks for the call. Also, according to Private, we do have the core PCE price index in 3 minutes. Woo! More inflation numbers. More inflation numbers. I was not really in the loop. I was all completely laser focused on what happened with the loaded lions. I was not looking at other things in the market, but actually today is quite an exciting day. So it's a good thing we have a live stream, isn't it? It's a good thing we have a live stream. Personally speaking, this sort of thing doesn't do anything for me. I better understand pure tokenomics and how coins move, so I stick with that. I stick with the things I know. Good luck with those who are getting into this project, though. Thanks, Pete. Again, it's also an advice that I think many experienced traders have. You buy the things you know. You buy the things you understand. Don't get into things you don't understand. If you want to buy, I don't know, let's say Nvidia. Let's say you actually want to buy Nvidia. You kind of need to understand how the AI space works. You kind of need to see where the AI potential is, and also the limits, because also you understand that there is still danger of competition. For example, there might be, I don't know many competitors. I do know AMD, for example. AMD is creating graphics cards and also AI units. We do have Intel as well. You need to know a bit more about the space to see, hey, is it something for me or isn't it? Instead of Coinbearing teaching us stuff about the current market, we are teaching him to keep in the loop. I might be full-time crypto, Mr. Kermit, but I'm not always tuned in. I went, like you've seen me, right? You've seen me on my live stream maybe last Sunday, I mean, the weekly close. I wasn't really looking at the markets. I was out and about. I was celebrating King's Day. I was celebrating a weekend off. Sun is shining now. I should be going outside. It's 25 degrees here. Strictly speaking, the US is moving towards stagflation, where the economy contracts, but inflation heads higher. The Fed's hands are tied because they have said their battle is mostly with inflation. Until it isn't. The question, of course, what's more important? Is it jobs? Is it inflation? They say it's inflation, but it might change. It might change. By the way, Kermit, did you enjoy King's Day? King's Day, guys, is a day in the Netherlands where we do crazy stuff. Oh, whoa. Okay, so Bitcoin actually dumped a bit more than I expected. Technical target, by the way, guys, is going back to the beginning here. So we might go back to about 90k. If it isn't a fake out, it might still be a fake out here. So do wait for that one. With the current temperatures, it's a perfect day to stay inside. It's hot. It's hot. I actually installed an AC today, or not this week. We installed an AC because I know I'm gonna make videos for you guys in this very hot room. So I needed an AC. So thanks. Very expensive. I would like to buy more Crow, but I need to install an AC instead. He short the market for 2 hours and then went home to game. Sounds like the best Kings that I could imagine. Jerome Powell has previously said that by controlling inflation, this is better overall for the economy, so that goods are becoming more affordable. I don't know. I don't know. Let me say this to you, Pete, and to anyone, by the way. I think Jerome Powell has his opinion on the matter, but we also have in the EU the ECB, and the ECB also has some quite smart people in there. They are reducing interest rates because they see that, well, a little push for the economy is also important because you don't want to go in a recession, even though a recession can be good for everyday prices. But I think I need to check the core PCE soon. I need to check the core PCE soon because I don't know what inflation is doing, but the market is coming up a bit. I think you can best see it here on the 5-minute chart. I think, guys, with this green candle, we might have just had some data. We might have just had some new data here. Is the AC a tax deductible expense? It isn't, unfortunately, because I'm not yet an official company. I wish it was. But I think also you can't get like tax deduction for things you install at home. Coinbear Unlimited though does sound nice. So you play games but you didn't go live? What? How dare you? How dare you, Kermit? I've been outside. I'm currently indoors to have a breather though, because I've been battling foliage with my chainsaw. Man, you're working today. Good job, man. I need to do the same though here. The garden is literally getting out of control. The garden is getting out of control, but unfortunately, I have my hand, so I still have some issues with my shoulder. Anyways, I'm checking, guys, currently on Twitter, or formerly Twitter, current X, if we have some more news regarding core PC. Thanks to Private, we're in the loop. There we go. Guys, quick, super quick. Always, I love Twitter. I love Twitter. Core PC, month over month, 0. Previous, 0.4. 5-year low, lowest since April 2020. Then, of course, the question is it a good thing? Is this a good thing? I think it is. I think it is. That's also why the price is reacting as it is. It's going up a bit more. We're going back to COVID levels. It seems that the policy is working. So I don't know why Bitcoin is dumping. I don't know why. I think just the market is scared. Again, it wouldn't surprise me, guys, if in a few minutes we're actually back in this pattern here and battling it out and then having a real breakout. This is like actually very typical behavior for crypto. We do a fake out to the opposite direction first, and then we actually break out to the right direction. This is really typical behavior for crypto. And I think the market, it's not too bad, honestly. Core PCE, so prices. I need to double check. I think PCE stands for price change. Let me check. It's about inflation, but I don't know what PCE stands for. PCE. Ad areas, yeah. Kind of makes sense. So PC stands for personal consumption expenditure, so inflation. Personal consumption expenditure. Oh, not really inflation, it's about spending. I'm wrong. And apparently we're not spending anymore. Wait a minute, then it might not be. Wait. So we're not spending more. We're basically back to where we were in 2020 regarding spending. Yeah, so again, it remains good, guys, because this is another reason to start intervening with the economy. This needs to go up again. We need more spending. But the less we spend, typically also the more shops will be lowering the prices to also get more spending. Oh man, sometimes my head is, guys, we just had an hour live stream talking about NFT lands. I didn't get prepared for this. I didn't get prepared for all these price announcements today. Didn't come prepared. It's supposed to be a good thing, as a cooling of the economy should lead to a reduction in interest rates, which then will lead to growth in risk on assets like Bitcoin. True. But the other end though is that if we're spending less, then companies are doing a bit worse. And if companies are doing worse, also the S&P is probably worse off as well. It's a bit of a double-edged sword. Don't forget though that these are all the figures from March, and the worst of the tariffs weren't in place even in March. True. Foliages are not a name for plants. I figured. Otherwise, you wouldn't be using a chainsaw, I guess. Guys, it's been an hour. It's been an hour, even a bit more, almost an hour 20 now. We talked a bit about, of course, the Loaded Lion launch. I got my lands. Apparently, according to Will now, I'm a whale. I'm a whale now. So I'm happy, but also many more people in the community are less happy, and I get that. The 10 packs per checkout, it was already kind of controversial in the beginning, and now I think it is really controversial. Tomorrow there will be one more early access sale. The early access sale with about the same price per pack. I might be joining that one as well, but no live stream. There will be a live stream tomorrow evening. I will be reading up on the PCE. I will be reading up on the inflation. I will be reading up on basically everything. So tomorrow, guys, strap in. I'm gonna do a new stream, and on Friday a new video, and on Saturday a new video, and on Sunday one more weekly close live stream. So get ready for May. Strap in, and let's see what the price will do in about 24 hours. Have a good one, guys. Have a good one. Bye. Hype. Kermit, this is your cue. Start streaming, Kermit. This is your cue, dude. Bye.